If the forming tool you need does not exist in the design library, you'll have to create it. You can start from scratch, or you can edit an existing forming tool that is similar to the one you need. In this lesson, I'll edit the bridge lance from the Lances folder. All I have to do is right-click it from the design library and choose Open. It will open in its own window, and you can see that it's just a part. Notice that the part has yellow and red faces. Now the colors are very important. The red color tells SolidWorks that these are the faces to remove once it's inserted into a part. As I use the rollback bar on the feature tree, you can see how the part was created. A base was made first, and then the geometry of the bridge lance. At the end, the base was cut away and a sketch was added. This sketch is used to position the feature when it's inserted into a part. I'll edit the sketch of the boss extrude and change it to have only one angle face. Once I exit the sketch and the part rebuilds, there will be errors on the fillets because of the changes I made. I'll edit the fillet feature and let SolidWorks remove the non-existing edges. I'll add the red color to the new flat face I created. Once again, the red color tells SolidWorks to remove this face from the target part. Now, rather than manually changing the color of the face, I can use the Form Tool feature to have SolidWorks do this for me. You'll find the Form Tool feature under Insert, Sheet Metal, Form Tool. Now, this feature does three things for you. It defines a stopping surface, defines faces to be removed, and automatically creates an orientation sketch to help position the forming tool. The stopping face determines how far the forming tool will be pressed into the sheet metal. In this case, the stopping face is the one on the bottom, and the face to remove is this flat one. I'll click OK, and you can see the face color is changed to red, and the stopping face is shown in cyan. In the Property Manager, you see the Form Tool feature has been added along with an orientation sketch. Now, it's important to note that forming tools created prior to SolidWorks 2006 did not use the Form Tool feature. Instead, faces to be removed had to be manually set to red, and orientation sketches had to be manually created. Also, there were no options for stopping faces. Instead, the top reference plane always served as the stopping face. Now, back to our example. My editing is complete, and I'll do a Save As from the File pull-down menu. I'll save it in the same folder as the original part. It's important to do a Save As instead of Save, or you'll overwrite your original bridge lance. I'll give this new forming tool a new name, click the Save button, and close the part. When I browse to the Lances folder of the design library, I can see the new forming tool I created. The preview of the forming tool comes from the view of the part that was on the screen when I saved it earlier. I can now drag it onto my sheet metal part and use the Tab key to change its direction. Next, in the Properties Manager under the Rotation Angle section, I will rotate the Form tool 90 degrees. This is the only change I'll make, so I'll click the green check. Now, my custom forming tool is complete.